Hi my web viewers, how you doing? In this video I'll show you how to make money using the folowing.net. All you have to do is accumulate points, accumulate coins, interacting with these social networks. Okay, Facebook Exchange, Instagram Exchange, Reverberation, SoundCloud, Blogger, WordPress, Vimeo, and so on. Okay, you earn points interacting, liking, following pages. After that, you can convert your points to cash. Okay, to do that, you go to account, go to my cash. Okay, and here in this page you can convert your coins to real money. Okay, the money will be sent you through PayPal. Here we can see how much. For example, 1000 coins you can trade for 1 cent. 100,000 coins you can trade for $4.96. Okay, just click here, click convert to cash, and the coins will be converted into cash. Here I have $32. Okay, and you need to set your PayPal like I did here. Okay, I have received some cash via PayPal. I'll show you now. Okay, here it is. Down A, follow like, money received $48.97. Okay, so this is a payment proof. Okay, it's cool, man, and it's easy. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thumbs up if you liked. Okay, and till next one.